Today we are going to develop a movie recommendation engine. Recommender systems are among the most popular applications of data science today. They are used to predict the rating or the preference that the user would give to an item. Almost every tech company are now using recommendation engine. Amazon uses recommendation engine to suggest product to the customer based on the likes, dislikes, and as well as based on the behavior of the customer. YouTube and Netflix uses recommendation engine to recommend the similar movies to the customer. Based on the user preferences, based on the likes and dislikes, the Netflix recommend movie. Facebook also uses recommendation engine to recommend pages to the people. So in this way, each and every tech company is using recommendation engine. So today in this tutorial, we will see how to build a basic model of recommendation engine. With this model, we will be nowhere close to industry standard in terms of complexity, quality, or accuracy. But it will help us to get started with building more complex model that produces even better result. Now, what is the course objective? In this project, we will build a recommendation model which will recommend movies based on popularity of the movies and interest and behavior of the user. Popularity of the movies will be our simple recommendation engine, and based on the interest behavior of the user, this second is our complex model of recommendation engine. What are the prerequisites? For this project, we need Python programming basics, knowledge of machine learning algorithm, basics of NLP is required. Then we need the statistics basic, and this is the software Anaconda, which should be installed. So because we are going to write code in Anaconda environment, we are going to use Jupyter. The difficulty level of this project is advanced. This project is advanced level project. So you should have at least basic knowledge of machine learning as well as Python programming to start with this project. Now, what will the student learn? Student will get hands-on experience on the data because the data which we are using is quite big. The size of data is around, it contains around 45,000 rows. So this data is really big. So the student will get hands-on experience on the data. Secondly, they will learn the new things about Python programming. Then they will learn how to pre-process this big data because there are text data, numeric data, float data. So how to handle these data and how to clean that data, they will learn. Then they will also learn the feature extraction process because from this huge amount of data, some features need to be extracted, and then we are going to build model based on these features. So these are the basic things they will learn. Like they will get hands-on experience on data. They will learn the Python programming. They will learn data pre-processing, and they will learn how to extract the features from the data. The target students are the course is ideal for data science, machine learning, and NLP enthusiasts. Those who are willing to learn natural language processing, even if they start with this project, then they can understand the each and every detail of the NLP as well. So anyone can start with this project, but if this course is ideal for data science, machine learning, and NLP enthusiasts. The outcome of this project is the student will get good understanding of Scikit machine learning library. They will also learn to develop the recommendation engine on their own, and they will analyze the data. Since the data is big, then they will get a chance to analyze the data. They will learn how to analyze the data. So this is the outcome of the course. Now, what is a recommendation engine? A recommendation engine is something which recommends product to the customer based on his or her interest, based on the browsing history. So whatever we browse on the internet, that thing gets logged somewhere, and this big tech company uses our data, uses our interest, using our behavior pattern, they detect products to us, and in this way they increase their sale. So based on the data of the customer, the recommendation engines are built, as well as based on the features of the products, the recommendation engines are built. And this recommendation engine can promote sell, can help us to reach our favorite items. So this is what recommendation engines are. Now, what are the basic three types of recommendation engine? The three basic types of recommendation engine are simple recommender, like then content based recommender, and then collaborative filtering engines. Now, what is simple recommender? Simple recommender offer generalized recommendation to every user based on movie popularity and genre. So the basic idea behind this system is that movies that are more popular and critically acclaimed will have a higher probability of being liked by the average audience. And content based recommender are the recommendation engine which suggests the similar item based on the particular item. So this system uses item metadata such as genre, director, descriptor, actor, etc. for movies to make this recommendation. The general idea behind this recommender system is that if a person liked a particular item, he or she will also like an item that is similar to it. For example, on the Netflix, if you have watched Shah Rukh Khan movie, then you will also like other Shah Rukh Khan movie. So this is the basic idea behind it. So if you like comedy movie and if you have watched 2 to 3 comedy movies, then the Netflix will suggest you the comedy movies. So based on the similarity of the particular item, these recommender systems are built. Now, collaborative filtering engines are these systems try to predict the rating or the preference that a user would give an item based on the past rating and preferences of other user. So, collaborative filter do not require item metadata like its content-based counterpart. So it makes the prediction about the interest of user by collecting preferences or taste information of many users. For example, if you like Shah Rukh movie and if some other person also like Shah Rukh movie, so based on the behavior of the two person, it suggests the movies. So it is a technique which is used by the recommender system where the it is not item based. Basically, it is preference according to the user, according to the customer's behavior. These collaborative filtering recommendation engine is based. So in this way, there are three types of recommender we are going to discuss, like simple recommenders, content based recommender, and collaborative recommender. But in this tutorial, we will study how to develop simple recommenders and content based recommenders. So in the simple recommender, we are going to create a predictive model which will be based on ratings, and in the content based recommender, we will use the genre of movie, then we are going to use the overview of the movie as our parameter to find out the similar movies.